then Jimmy will be back. Semi-weight 4 measures. Two forward twos. Twirl two. Walk two. Two forward twos. Two turning twos. Circle away 2 twos. Strut together 4 to semi. 2 forward twos. Twirl 2. Walk 2. 2 forward twos. 2 turning twos. Circle away 2 twos. Strut together 4 to butterfly. Face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn. Face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn to open. Forward lock forward twice. Slow open bind 4. Lace up. To close. Traveling box. 4 turning twos. Lace up. Traveling box. 4 turning twos. To semi, 2 forward twos. Twirl 2, walk 2, 2 forward twos. 2 turning twos. Circle away 2 twos. Strut together 4 to semi, 2 forward twos. Twirl 2, walk 2, 2 forward twos. 2 turning twos. Circle away 2 twos. Strut together 4 to butterfly. Face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn. Face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn to open. Forward lock forward twice. Open bind 4. Lace up. Traveling box. 4 turning twos. Lace up. Traveling box. 4 turning twos. Twirl 2. Step apart, you're through. Good job, guys. Good job.